Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, June the 9th. Well, another indecisive trading day today. We seem to have had a lot of these lately. Another spinning top candle. If we look at the body of the current candle, it's very, very small. At least it's green, which means that the bulls have made net gain on the day. But a very small candle with a shadow or a wick on the top and the bottom. The good thing is that the shadow or wick is not as long as the previous few days, but still very, very indecisive. Now, we have a change of trend in the first time frame to the upside, and we've only just taken out the high of yesterday, and we have a higher low, so we have a higher high and a higher low, so we have an uptrend. But it's within this congestion area, and the market's congesting within this zone of resistance that we identified quite some time ago. The market's having trouble trading up through there. We haven't closed up above that region, roughly about 944. We want to see a good strong close up above 944 for the market to move up on its way up to around $1,000, up around here. So we just need to be patient. Wait for this congestion area to resolve itself. It'll resolve either up or down. If we do have a breakout to the downside, we should look to support at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. And then if that doesn't hold, we've got this support area of the bottom of the descending triangle, and then we have support down around the cloud. I actually think that this will resolve with an upside breakout. As I've said before, if we look at this market in the second time frame, it's a very, very strong uptrend, and we would have expected some sort of a decent pullback into the range of this trend here before now. And the market traded up to this large congestion area, tried to break out, and is congesting again. So a lot of trouble getting through this resistance zone, but the market really doesn't want to sell off. So we just need to be patient, wait for these highs here. Once 945 is taken out, we need to look to the high of this candle here, which is roughly about 950. So we'd like to see a nice strong close up above there. Now everything else is looking positive. The cloud has a positive bias to it. We're trading up above the cloud. The Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen, which means that everything is looking quite bullish. One area of concern, though, is that the Tenkan-sen has turned flat. When that happens, it tends to attract the price action. So the price action could trade back down to the Tenkan-sen, which is roughly about 919, 920. Interestingly, though, the Kijun-sen has started to point up, which means that we could end up having a bit of upside momentum. So it wouldn't surprise if the market did break out to the upside. It's giving us some sort of a lead into the direction that the market may head in. So I think we all just need to be patient and wait for this congestion area to resolve.